Hello everyone! Welcome back to Easy Survival English. Today we learn Easy English. Our topic is shopping for women's clothes. Listen, relax, and enjoy the story.
Good morning. It's a new day. Nice light today. This dress is old. This sweater is too big. These jeans are tight. I don't feel comfortable.
Keywords: dress, sweater, jeans, old, too big, tight. Simple sentences. This dress is old. These jeans are tight.
What do I need? A dress, a blouse, comfortable pants. I want new clothes.
Keywords: need, blouse, pants, comfortable. Simple sentences. I need new clothes. I want comfortable pants.
Shoes, okay. Phone, wallet, keys. I'm ready.
Keywords: shoes, phone, wallet, keys.
This street is nice. Not too busy. Beautiful dresses, light colours.
Keywords: street, quiet, busy. Simple sentence. The street is quiet.
Beautiful dresses. Light colours.
Keywords: store, dress, color, light colors. Simple sentence. The dresses are beautiful.
Hello, welcome.
Hello, thank you.
Can I help you?
Yes, I need a dress.
Useful sentences. Can I help you? I need a dress. Thank you.
What color do you like?
White, light blue.
Casual or formal?
Casual.
Keywords: white, blue, casual, formal. Simple sentence. I like light colors.
It feels light. Not tight, not loose. I like it.
Keywords: try, mirror, tight, loose. Simple sentences. It is not tight. I like it.
This one is soft. This one is rough. I like soft clothes.
Keywords: soft, rough. Simple sentence. This blouse is soft.
This is too small.
Bigger size?
Yes, please. Medium. Much better.
Keywords: too small, bigger, medium. Simple sentences. This is too small. Medium, please.
These pants are comfortable. I like these.
Keywords: pants, comfortable. Simple sentence. These pants are comfortable.
How much is this?
It's on sale.
Great!
Keywords. How much is this? On sale.
Cash or card?
Card, please. Thank you very much.
Keywords. Cash card, please. Thank you.
New dress. New blouse. New pants. I feel happy.
Today you learned easy English about clothes, colors, sizes, prices. Practice every day. See you next time.